Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm back with another wig tutorial, and this is in collaboration with Unice. They are one of my faves, so I'm really excited to show you guys this hair. And this time I'm going to be showing you guys a half wig, so I'm super excited to be playing around with this hair today and showing you guys how I install / style it. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into it. Alright, so as soon as I open the box, included is a headband because, of course, with the original half wigs, you can turn them into a headband wig, basically. So you can do a do-it-yourself headband wig with this. So I might do that today, not too sure. And then also included is this cute little girly pouch, and they just put like some accessories in it, just some cute eyelashes, a little edge control scarf, so it just has their branding on it. Also a wig cap, but I already have one on my head. See, I'm over here struggling, y'all. A wig cap, and then like some nail stickers. So you can get some cute little accessories with it. But let's just get into this hair. I've been wanting a half wig for a minute. I've never got one. I've never tried one. So okay, so this is their half wig in 20 inches. And then inside of the wig they did include another headband. So yeah. This is the hair, of course. So this is the half wig. It's very different. So you can tell like what they did with headband wigs. They really just took a half wig and attached a headband onto it. So yeah, this is it. And it does have the two combs inside for styling. And yeah, it's a nice curly texture. This is kind of like their kinky curly texture, I believe. So really pretty. And yeah, this is 20 inches. For this, you can leave out hair. Usually people do leave out hair for half wigs, so I'm gonna see what it looks like with this out. But I did kind of have an idea what style I wanted to do, but I'm gonna show y'all the little quick do-it-yourself headband wig. So just go ahead and put this on. It does have two big clips for you to put on, and yeah, it's on that fast. Just like that. So this is what it's looking like. This hair is really pretty. Look at the texture. Really cute. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with headbands on it, just to throw on real quick. So this is the flamingo one. Or is this flamingos? Right? Are those flamingos? What are those flowers? Those are flamingos, yeah. I saw the legs and the pink. That's why I'm like, are these flamingos? So yeah, that's all you do, and you have a quick, easy headband wig. Like, there's no real work to it. Like, you can rock this as a headband wig, and this texture is everything. Like, this is cute. This is really cute, and this is just basically fresh out the package. Like, no effort, no real work to do. It's just boom, you just put your half wig on and put a headband on over it, and you're done. You're good. So I like that. I really am going to try a half up, half down though. But you can of course do a half up, half down with it like this. But I'm talking about with like actual leave out in my hair, so that looks seamless without doing the headband method, you know. So I'm going to see what that looks like in a minute. But this, girl, this is everything. And then I'm going to show y'all this other headband on it. Okay, so this is, oh, this is just so cute. I like how it comes out from the roots like this, because it looks like it's coming out of your natural hair, because that's how my natural hair is. It comes out kind of like from the root like that. I don't know how to describe it, but this is so freaking gorgeous. Yeah, so easy. Like, really, you can do a do-it-yourself headband wig. And this is human hair, so this is the human hair version. Like if you know for sure, like I want a half wig but I want it to last longer than the synthetic ones, definitely get this. It's a human hair. It's so soft, the texture is just gorgeous, and like I said, you can turn it into a headband wig, but also you can do more with it. Like you can actually leave out some of your real hair and also do even more styles. Like I said, you can do a half up, half down. I just moved it to the side real quick to give you guys an idea of like a side look. And then yeah, you could always do it half up, half down. You could put this all into a puff. I would just have to pull the sides now more, but you can put this into a puff, you can put it in a bun, you could do all kind of looks. I think I am going to make a separate video showing like how to do a half up, half down with a half wig, but for this one I'm just going to do headband wig, do it yourself headband wig featuring Unice hair. All the information on this half wig will definitely be in the description box below. This is gorgeous. Definitely get your hands on this. Like this is some bomb hair. Like I didn't even wet it, I didn't put no curl definer in it, and it's just popping. It's just popping straight out the box, period. Just really gorgeous hair. So yeah guys, definitely be looking forward to a half up, half down with a headband, not with a headband, with a half wig tutorial from me, because I will be doing that for you guys very soon. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. All the information on this hair and details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.